Welcome to Automation Expo 2024. Greetings from LLS Automation. Myself, Ishamurthy, Business Unit Head for LLS Automation, a group of LMW Coimbatore. So we are offering automation as a turnkey solution provider. We are expertise in building assembly line automation for electronics and automotive industry. Apart from, we are giving the solutions for material handling and packaging solutions. Our top priority is focus on reliability and quality and mainly for excellence and integrity. On this Automation Expo 2024, we are highlighting two products. One is gantry and second one is our MIG welding cell. Overhead gantry, we are giving solutions for training centers with modular type. We can expand up to 40 meters with a speed of 2 meters per second. For MIG welding cell, we are giving modular type where customer can design any kind of robots or power source for their solution with flexible. So, and moreover, we are giving more excellent and trusted support to the partner, and moreover, we are giving an excellent service support all over the global. Post-sale support is excellent to us. So, trust on LLS Automation will be a sustainable automation provider. Thank you all the very much.